Welcome. This video covers all the ways to open your Tesla's charge port. Whether you're a new owner or just want a refresher, we'll walk through the four primary methods: the button on the charge port, the touch screen, the Tesla app, and the manual release. Knowing all these methods ensures you can charge your Tesla in any situation. Method 1. The charge port button. The charge port button is the simplest and most reliable way to open your Tesla's charge port. First, locate the charge port door. It's typically on the rear fender of the driver's side of your Tesla vehicle. Second, make sure your Tesla is unlocked. The charge port button requires the vehicle to be in an unlocked state to function. Third, press the small button directly on the charge port door itself. This mechanical button releases the latch, allowing you to open the port manually. This mechanical method is highly reliable because it works independently of the vehicle's electrical systems or mobile connectivity. It's always available as a backup option. Method 2. The touch screen. Use the central touch screen inside your Tesla to open the charge port. First, make sure your vehicle is powered on, as this method requires the car's systems to be active. Tap Controls on the touch screen. This is usually located in the bottom left corner of the main screen. Then navigate to Charging. You'll find this in the Controls menu, often represented by a charging icon. You'll see an Open Charge Port button. Tap it, and the charge port on the rear fender should open automatically. The port opens, allowing you to plug in the charging cable. Remember, this method only works when the car is powered on, so if your Tesla is completely off, you'll need to start it first or use another method. Open the Tesla app on your smartphone, whether it's iOS or Android. Ensure your car is unlocked within the app before proceeding. Navigate to the Charge section in the app. You should see an option to Open Charge Port. Tap it to open the port. This method is convenient for remotely preconditioning the battery, especially in cold weather, or opening the port as you approach the car. Method 4 is the manual release, your emergency backup when electrical systems fail or the charge port gets stuck. This mechanical override bypasses all electronics and is crucial in power failure scenarios. This method works without requiring any electrical power, ensuring you can always access the charge port in emergencies. Make sure the vehicle is stationary before proceeding. For Model S and Model X, start by opening the frunk, which is the front trunk of the vehicle. For Model 3 and Model Y, open the rear trunk instead. Once inside, locate a red cord or handle, typically labeled Charge Port Release. This is usually positioned near the trunk or frunk mechanism. Finally, pull the tab firmly in the indicated direction. This will manually release the charge port latch, allowing you to open it by hand if needed. Remember, the manual release bypasses all electronic systems, so it's your go-to method when other options aren't available. Always handle with care. Even with Tesla's reliable charge port system, issues can occasionally arise. Here are some common problems and how to resolve them. The most common issue is a stuck charge port. If pressing the button on the port door doesn't work, try opening it through the vehicle's touch screen under Controls, Charging menu. Alternatively, use the Tesla mobile app to remotely open the port. In cold weather, the charge port can freeze shut, especially in areas like Norway, where temperatures drop below freezing. Use the Tesla app to precondition the battery and warm the port before charging. This heats the port to around 20 degrees Celsius, preventing ice buildup. If you suspect ice or debris is blocking the port, visually inspect it first. For emergencies or when electronic methods fail, use the manual release. Open the frunk on Model SX or trunk on Model 3Y and pull the red cord or lever inside to mechanically open the port. This bypasses all electronic systems. As a final tip, regularly clean the charge port area to prevent debris buildup. Rely on the app for remote troubleshooting in urban areas where connectivity is reliable, and always remember the manual release as your ultimate backup. Tesla's system is designed with multiple redundancies to keep you charged. Here are some essential tips and best practices for managing your Tesla's charge port effectively. Always ensure your Tesla is unlocked before attempting to open the charge port. This prevents any access issues and ensures smooth operation. Regularly clean the charge port area to prevent debris buildup. This maintains optimal charging performance and avoids potential blockages. Familiarize yourself with the manual release location. Knowing where to access it in your specific model ensures you're prepared for any emergency situations. The Tesla app is your most versatile tool, so keep it updated. Regular updates ensure you have access to the latest features and improvements for remote port opening. According to Tesla's Q3 2025 earnings report, 85% of charge sessions use the touchscreen or app. This highlights the popularity and reliability of these digital methods. Tesla is constantly innovating. Expect more app-centric and potentially autonomous features in the future. Wireless charging is on the horizon, though not standard yet. For now, mastering these 4 methods ensures you're prepared to charge your Tesla in any situation. Thanks for watching.